Another ideal strategy working with students, especially those who have encountered and/or are currently experiencing trauma, is to simply slow down as the adult. We can model, first and foremost, our ability to take some slow breaths. When taking slow breaths, it helps you reduce your heart rate. It also helps the brain and body feel calm so that you can respond versus react to students. We can slow down our rate of speech. We can pause between sentences. As we've learned, students who are overreacting and/or displaying trigger behaviors due to trauma in their lives, the frontal part of their brain that helps them think clearly can shut down, and in turn, it can be hard for them to process language. By slowing down our rate of speech and pausing between sentences, we allow their brains to process what we are telling them and/or asking them. We can slow down our body movements. We can slow down our agenda in the moment and take our time to fully listen and be present for students. By engaging in these strategies to slow ourselves down, we create more of a safe and trusting environment for students so that they know we are ready to listen to them and support them in the moment.